Strawberry milkshake. Yeah, shall we start making, baby? Yes. So now we have some few pieces of strawberries over here. Take it and put it in a jar.
Yes.
Take it, baby. You're having a tongue in your hand. Super, Ashika. Wow. Super, Animika. Wow. Super, Animika. What is your next step, Anumika? So we are going to add some glass of milk. Now close it. Start mixing, baby. Wow! Super, Anumika. Now the yummy strawberry milkshake is ready. Take it out, baby ma. Take it out. Yes, I will pour you and give. Yeah, yummy milkshake is ready. Drink it, baby. Drink it and tell me how it is.